With this bottle, we'd like to add an interesting effect. We'd like to keep sides of the bottle glossy in order to get sharp reflexes, but we'd like to put some anti-spot, anti-reflex spray on the front side of the bottle and add some water drops on the front, and that would be, so it's like half matte, half glossy. Let's see how it's gonna look like. So anti-reflex spray goes only on the front side, maybe not even here, maybe just lower, and I'll try to keep it out from label. Yeah, I guess I put too much. I kept spray too close to the bottle, so I'm gonna clean the bottle and do it all over again. It goes off easily with a piece of fabric, so there is nothing to worry about if you did something wrong the first time. Let's try again. Yeah, I think that would be enough. And now water drops, which is, I'd like to remind you, is glycerin, 1/3 of glycerin and 2/3 of water. There is no need to put drops all over the bottle. Some parts could stay clean. Sometimes it looks even better. And maybe more natural. Yeah, I think that would be enough. Okay, so the bottle goes on the table. So eventually the bottle will be standing on a green background, and usually it's better to photograph an object on a green background also if it will be on green later in the final image. So what I want to do is to use green or yellow plus blue gels, which goes on a reflector behind the bottle. Just remember to turn off pilot lamp, otherwise it will burn. Okay, cool. So let's find firstly the perfect spot for this light. It could be standing right in the middle or somewhere on the side. If light goes here on the left side of the bottle, then the right side of the bottle will be lighter. And the other way around. If it goes here on the right side, then left side of the bottle will be lighter, because a bottle with water in it refracts light this way. There is another light turned on here. Let's turn it off. Try again. I think I'm pretty happy with what we get. So let's now add reflex right here on the left side of the bottle. And what I want to do is to use a piece of milky plexiglass. So the piece of plexiglass goes right here. Okay, great. And I'm gonna need one more light. I'll be using strip box because I wanna reflex will be really narrow. And by placing strip box by 90 degrees to plexiglass like that, but a bit behind, I'll get fading reflex. Almost. The light is on its maximum, so I think I'll make ISO higher, 200, and light behind the bottle a little lower. Okay, a bit too bright. And it's not really sharp here. So a bit too much matte spray there. Let's see if I can fix it. I'm not sure how it's gonna look like, but you don't know unless you try. Okay, I think it's better now. So the left side of reflex is sharp. Now we can see better that it's a glass, not some plastic. Let's clean a bit right here. And try again. Okay, great. So yeah, now I like the left side, except one little thing. Now this part a bit cleaner. Yeah, great. Okay, so we're done with the left side, and now I'm gonna take plexiglass and light on the other side. Okay, cool. I don't want any interference between lights on the sides, on the left and right side. So that's why I don't usually use two lights on the side of the bottle and do just two shots from the left side and the right one. On the right side of the bottle, we've got pretty white, dark part. So we can do something interesting here. We can try a few options with different reflexes. They could be more narrow or more wide. Oops. It didn't work because I didn't turn it on. Let's try again. Yeah, perfect. Except water drops right here and here, too small. Let's make them bigger and nicer. Yeah, much better. Okay, so now try a few different position of the light. It may be not so bright. Yeah, let's make it wider. And lighter. Or even more. I think if we need to make reflex on this side wider, we'd better use another softbox, which is wider itself. Okay, let's try now. Okay, so now we got really wide and great reflex. I'm not sure I'm gonna use this image, but it's better to have it in case we need it. At least label looks really bright and great. So one more option and I guess we'll be done. Yeah, I think we've got enough material and then we'll be done with it. So that's pretty much it. See you in Photoshop.